Hello guys!
Hi guys!
Happy Pi Day! So what we're going to do is t-shirt printing. This is our project for math. We are going to print inspired.
Inspired!
Materials you're going to be needing are a silk screen, squeegees. It depends on the size you want your text to be. I have a 5-inch squeegee, and if you want your text to be smaller, you can get a 3-inch squeegee.
The first thing we have to do is get your t-shirts. We're going to be using our old t-shirts.
Old t-shirt?
So we put a paper inside the t-shirt. Very important. So the paint won't leak to the other side.
Okay, so we'll do the circle first.
So this is what the circle looks like, with the screen on top.
Always make sure your t-shirt is straightened. We don't want any wrinkles.
So we have to put the paint, the red paint, on the side of the template, and use a squeegee to paint over our template, so it will color the shirt. So here is the final output. I have to say, it looks pretty nice. Thanks you for watching
and get inspired.